हॅलो स्टुडंट, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या लाडके यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. आज आपण स्टार्ट करणार आहोत क्लास 6 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर नंबर 7 इंडिया ड्युरिंग मौर्य पिरियड. तरी अजूनही तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर लवकरच सबस्क्राईब करा आणि साईडला दिलेल्या बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला सगळ्या चॅप्टरचे सगळ्या क्लासचे सोल्युशन्सचे नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम भेटत जातील. ओके, सो लेट स्टार्ट. Starting with the question number 1. Why did the satraps begin to fight among themselves? Answer. After Alexander's death, a struggle for power began among the satraps that he had appointed. Question number 2. Who did Ashoka send to Sri Lanka for the spread of Buddhism? Answer. Ashoka sent his own son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka for spread of Buddhism. Next question is question number 3. What were the occupations of the people during the Maurya period? Answer. During the Maurya period, there were many occupations like carving and the engraving on ivory, weaving and dyeing clothes and metal work. Black glass pottery was produced, shipbuildings and technology of making articles of iron had also developed. Okay. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is which animal engravings are found on the pillars erected by Emperor Ashoka? Answer. Excellent carvings of animals like the lion, elephant, bull are found on the pillars erected by Ashoka. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Can you explain in that first satrap? Answer. When Alexander was forced to return back to Greece, he appointed Greek officers to administrate the conquered territories. They were called as satraps. In that second, Sudarshan. Answer. Emperor Chandragupta Maurya built a dam called as a Sudarshan near Junagadh in Gujarat state. Question number 3. Devanampiyo Piyadasi. Answer. The name given to Emperor Ashoka, which means beloved of the gods and he who looks on with affection. Next is question in that 4. Ashtapad. Answer. The game of chess was called as a Ashtapad. Question number 3. Recall and describe. In that first, the extent of Chandragupta Maurya's empire. Answer. Chandragupta Maurya defeated the Nanda dynasty and established his rule in Magdha. He won Avanti and Saurashtra and began to extend the boundaries of his empire. Third, on defeating Seleucids Nicator, he included the northwest region of Kabul, Kandahar and Herat in Maurya Empire. Okay, see the next question. Question number 2 is The extent of Ashoka's empire. Answer. Ashoka empire extended from Afghanistan in the northwest and Nepal in the north of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh in the south and from Bengal in the east to Saurashtra in the west. Okay. See the next question, that is a match the following. In that first column A, Emperor of Alexander. In that the answer is Emperor of Greece. Second is Magadhasthens. In that answer is a ambassador of Seleucus Nicator. Third is Emperor of Ashoka. Answer is Emperor of Magda. Okay. See the next. Question number 5. What is your opinion? Question number first. Alexander has to return back. Answer. During the Indian invasion, Alexander's army had to suffer some hardships. The army was also away from home for a very long time, so the soldiers were eager to go back. Therefore, they rebelled against Alexander and he was forced to go back to Greece. Second, coins of Greek kings were characteristics. Answer. The Greek kings minted characteristics coins. On one side, the coin had a picture of the king who had minted the coin, and on the other side a picture of Greek god. The name of the king was also written on the coin. Alexander's coins were of the same type. Question number 3. Emperor Ashoka decided never to wage war again. Answer. Emperor Ashoka decided never to wage war again when he witnessed the bloodshed and the devastation caused by the Kalinga war. Emperor Ashoka had a change of heart and embraced Buddhism. Question number 6. Describe in your own words. In that first, public welfare works of Emperor Ashoka. Answer. Emperor Ashoka laid stress on the creation of facilities for the welfare of people. Second, he made provision for free medicines and medical treatment for people as well as for animals. Third, he built many roads. Fourth, he dug wells and built dharmashalas. Question number 2. Means of entertainment and sports of the Maurya period. Answer. Different festivals and functions were celebrated in villages and towns. Second, dance and music concerts were a part of entertainment. Third, wrestling bouts and the chariots races were popular. Fourth, board games and chess called as a Ashtapad was also popular. Okay students, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.